In this tutorial, we'll be talking about type conversion in C#. So I'm just going to go straight into the example of type conversion. Here we have a string variable called str1 that holds the string value 50 here, and a string value str2 that holds a string literal 50 here. Now, what we're going to do here, we're going to console write str1 plus str2, and when we run it here, we see that we return 5050. Let's give my antivirus a good time here. Alright. So what happened here, the plus operator here act as a concatenation operator in this instance, because this is a string variable and a string variable here. Now, a lot of times when we are working with, for example, forms for the web, we accept user values, and those values that we accept are in a string format. Now, if we needed to do some mathematical operation on those values, we need to convert those string values into a data type that is suited for our calculation, because here we could not add 50 and 50 here because they are strings. So what we're going to do is we're going to take advantage of C# built-in conversion methods. So convert dot, and we're going to select int32. These are different methods for converting it to different types, but here we're just going to use to int32, and we're going to put in str1 here, and let us just do this here. So instead of having here, we're going to do the conversion inside of this method. So that, and we're going to have str2 here. So inside of the console write method, what we're doing here is we're going to convert str1 from a string to an integer value, and we're going to convert str2 from a string to an integer value. So instead of being this string here, it will be an actual number that will be 50 and 50 here. So when we run our program, we see we now have 100 here. Alright, and another example said we had double db equal 45 point, and what we're going to do here is so here I'm going to print out the actual double value, and here I'm going to print out the double value converted into an integer data type. Plus \n, right. Now we can see here we have our double value. Oh, I apologize about the antivirus. I'm going to make sure that it's fixed in the next tutorial. So here we have our double value printed out here, 45.8956856. And when we converted it here to an integer value, what happened here is because of the 0.8 here, we just rounded up from 45 to 46. So that is what was converted when it was converted to an integer data type. So that was an example of the type conversion in C#. So we'll move on to the other tutorial. Thank you.